Where does the name for Aberlleiniog and Castell Aberlleiniog come from? So today I'm just outside Llangoed, and this castle behind me is called Castell Aberlleiniog. Unfortunately it's closed at the moment because the stairs are broken. Let's get into the name anyway. Lleiniog is from llain, a line or stripe, and means something like striped or stripped, a name tied to the bay below, as well as the Afon Lleiniog which flows down to it. Aber is a river mouth, or the place where two waters meet, and Castell is a castle, from Proto-Brythonic Castell, itself from the Latin castellum. Together they also give us the name for Castell Aberlleiniog near Llangoed on Anglesey, a Norman motte and bailey fortress built between 1080 and 1099, most likely by Hugh d'Avranches, the Earl of Chester, during the first Norman attempt to conquer Gwynedd. Its position was chosen with care. From here the castle commands a view across the Menai Straits, with sightlines to Abergwyngregin on the far shore, a centre of royal power for the Kingdom of Gwynedd. But it did not stand unchallenged. In 1094, Gruffydd ap Cynan returned from exile in Ireland and laid siege to Aberlleiniog. The garrison, more than 100 Norman defenders, was overwhelmed and killed. Within a few years, the Normans were driven entirely from Ynys Môn. Whether Welsh rulers then reused the site remains uncertain. The original timber fortification did not survive the centuries. By the 17th century, nothing remained of the Norman castle. Instead, the site was reshaped into an artillery fort during the English Civil War, under the controversial Thomas Cheadle, Constable of Beaumaris. The ruins we see today belong mostly to this later phase. Thick ramparts, parapet walls and stout round towers at the corners. A fortress within a fortress where Norman ambition and the necessity of the Civil War overlap. So the name literally means the castle of the confluence of the Striped River. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.